Greetings traders, this is Des here at Grok Trade. A big thank you to Miguel and Mark the Meerkat for sitting in for me. It is good to be back. I was down in Mexico doing some business, looking forward to our involvements and opportunities to start spreading our trading education in Espanol down there. If you don't know it already, go and watch Miguel's videos. Each night he does a market commentary in Spanish. If you speak Spanish, watch his. He is a fantastic trader. Just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com and go to the trading videos, and then from there check out Miguel. So what you'll see here is the markets did take a hit yesterday. The Fed came out saying that, well, they actually came out more hawkish than expected, and they're saying they might be tapering their buy program. That sent the market southbound, precious metals southbound, but the US dollar higher. The S&P down 0.4%, the Dow down 0.5%, NASDAQ down 0.3%, Russell's down 0.5%, banks down more than 1%. That's noteworthy. Also, what is noteworthy is the VIX is up only 0.73%. Should have been up around 3% today. Not sure why. The puts did not increase the fear as much as that we expected. Gold off by a whopping 1.44%. Silver off by 3.6%. I had to unroll my silver position. That was a massive strike against it. The Fed came out and really hurt precious metals. US dollar, or crude oil rather, down 0.5%, but the US dollar up 0.7%, and we're seeing more upside potential in the dollar. Transportation index down 0.5%, utilities down 0.6%. Take a look here at the daily chart. We had a reversal pattern yesterday. Today we have a lower high, lower low. We have a confirmation of that. So we're heading southbound, breaking some support, challenging the rising EMAs. And I believe we're going to come back down. I expect us to hit at least 1743, if not 1725 fairly quickly here. I see a lot of downside opportunity. The reason I say that is because the weekly chart. And the weekly chart is looking pretty grim. We only have one more day, but I expect this to only go lower, close out the week. We have a higher high, higher low, but the problem is we hit resistance. Resistance back here in May, resistance here in July, resistance now here in October. And if you'll look here, this is a shooting star trend reversal pattern. That should be the start of a multi-week drop with a support level of 1710. And on the weekly, that's what we're watching. Now check this out. The month is now closed, but check out where it closed. I want you to see this. We have support here. Support broken. Now becomes resistance. We come up, and now we're at that resistance again. We touched it there, dropped. We're touching it here and drop. Let me blow this up so you can really see it. You can always go to full screen on my videos and watch them in high definition and see them very clearly. We touched the resistance point and we dropped. I foresee this being our high. Matter of fact, I'm going to make a call here. Hold me accountable to this. I foresee yesterday's high of this 1775. The high was 1775.22. I expect that will be our high that we will see for a long time. But long as the Feds continue to taper, if they do start to taper their buy program, this will be our high for a long time, because the markets, again, only up as high as the buy program will do it. We are buying this market's highs. So as soon as they come down, and they came out saying in December they could start unwrapping this. So if that happens, expect this downside potential to take place. Now, a couple other things. What we will do is take a look at, let's go to gold first. Gold, big gap down. We're caught up in these moving averages. And let's take a look at silver. Big drop. Boom. Down here below the 20-day moving average. Getting killed now on volume. Google flat, but we have kind of a rising wedge formation. Be careful. I think Google could, that 1040 mark could be a high. Just watch that. Apple off by 0.4%, holding its own on the upper side of things. Facebook came out with earnings, beating. Big gap down, big run up, but the problem is we're below a resistance area, or below a support area, which is acting as resistance. And then Microsoft, big gap up, high base. We're not filling this gap, so this is very good for Microsoft. So with that, we do have a mentorship that is coming up, and you guys should have a chance to, we would love for you guys to come out and do that. If you look here, this is the website. If you go to the home page, and on the home page you'll see you can put in your information here to get the 6 free videos. But if you click on mentoring right here, once you click on that, read about the mentoring here and the benefits here. If you scroll down lower, you will see that we have testimonials. These are people that's actually been through the mentorship, and they will help you out. And then what you'll want to do is go here, fill out the form. Carolina will give you a call to answer all your questions about mentoring, but more importantly, it's an interview phone call. She's just going to ask you a bunch of questions, where you're at, what you're struggling with, to find out if you're even a match for this. So it's not a sales call, it's simply an information call and an interview process to find out if it's right for you. So we have a big thing. I'm actually giving out an airfare voucher and a hotel voucher. I'm going to pay for your airfare, pay for your hotel, to come out in Vegas during the Traders Expo to our trading and mentorship program that we do it live, and you can see what that is here by watching this video. Hope all's well. Take care, safe trading. And I did make a prediction with yesterday being our high. Feel free to share that warning with your friends. Share this video. I think that they will fully appreciate that this S&P here is at a major resistance area on the daily, on the weekly. It's there. Also on the monthly, it's already closed out, so we close with our monthly bar at a high. So the high of that bar is at a trend line that should act as resistance. So there we have it. Thanks so much for being a part of Grok Trade. Thank you for being part of the growing community. You're one of many from 155 countries. Thank you for being a part. Take care, and again, share the video, leave us a comment, click like.
This may or may not be you, but traders who come to Grok Trade for help are sharp, well-educated, and have made money in the past. However, trading was a real struggle for them. They bought high and sold low. They let small losses turn into large losses. They kept losing money. This does not have to be you. They made a change before it was too late. Grok Trade students trade within the live markets with confidence. Get signed up for mentoring today before it's too late for your trading.
I'm Tim Cole.
I'm Mike Reed.
My name is Randeep Kapoor.
Shane Parker.
Hi, I'm Steve Gould.
Mary Olson.
My name is Spiro Karajanis.
Mike Muller.
My name is Caroline Elizon, and I've been day trading full-time for about 2.5 years.
What did you think of the mentorship?
I am just thrilled with it. I think it's a great program.
It kept me going, kept my brain moving.
In 20 years, I learned this much about trading. I think that this weekend gave me this much to add on it.
This is actually my second time through mentorship, so this is a refresher for me. And I'm picking up nuggets that I missed the first time around, and I feel more confident to use all this information.
It's given me a skill level that's a much higher level.
You learn stuff that you will not learn in any other course. I've taken a bunch of different courses. I've never seen this stuff taught before. No one else teaches it. I mean, you've given us such golden nuggets today, or this week. You know, it's well worth taking this class.
Yeah. It has helped unbelievably. I mean, I can't even explain it. I'm literally at a loss for words right now.
So if there was someone out there who was thinking about joining the mentoring class,
kind of on the fence, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say this is something that you need if you're struggling with consistency in your trading results.
You need to have good education, good understanding, otherwise you will get killed in the market.
You can understand why they're doing what they're doing, how to trade successfully, how to make the proper setups, what you're looking for, and how to go from being a newbie to a professional trader in a short period of time.
You're not going to be able, on your own, floundering or just reading books, to be able to sit down and pick the brain of very successful traders and be able to incorporate that into your own trading.
You learn something that you didn't know before, and learning is always good, no matter how old you are.
Mentoring is all about helping you really get your hands on and practice it.
I would tell anybody who's on the fence, it took me 20 years to learn this much. This much. And you know what? Maybe it's really this much, but I'm trying to, tell you that I know a little bit more. And I got this much, out of this weekend. So I think you got to be crazy to want to go through years of heartache to learn stuff that experts can teach you right away.
I've just realized being here how important it is to get some formal education in trading. You get so many things from so many different directions, and to have it all brought together and put in front of you, your toolkit so you can use it, is really invaluable.